What is the Bifu Trial Bonus Campaign? The Bifu Trial Bonus Campaign allows users to free claim up to 5,000 USDT in trial bonus, which can be used to subscribe to exclusive trial investment products and generate returns. Participation steps. 1. Log into your Bifu account. Tap Crypto Trading. 2. Tap the Trial Bonus Campaign banner. 3. Register and complete KYC. 4. Receive investment experience funds. Follow the campaign page instructions to claim the corresponding tier of experience funds. 5. Subscribe to exclusive products. Use the claimed experience funds to subscribe to the experience fund exclusive product. 6. After successful subscription, wait for interest to generate and earn returns. The campaign includes 3 reward tiers. Users may qualify based on their conditions.